Welcome to the Shady place. In this episode, Thoretta sustained some major damage. Do we have the proper tools to get her fixed up, or will we fail miserably? I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Thoretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country.
Where are we going, Shay?
Yeah, we found a little spot on Whitefish Bay, which is still Lake Superior, but it's more eastern side of Lake Superior. It's called Whitefish Bay. There's a little parking lot that we're going to hang out at for the weekend.
Cool. I'm a little shooken up right now. A baby deer and a mom just pulled out in front of us. I'm glad we didn't hit the baby deer, but oh my God. Thoretta lost an eye.
Bracket broke.
I realized it could have been worse, but I don't know what to say. It's just Shay and Rusty and I, and we're kind of doing this all of ourselves. It's gonna be okay. I just have to breathe. Okay, so we're gonna continue on. We have to. Nothing's leaking or anything. It's literally just the headlight,
And the grill.
and the grill.
Got that bungee corded down?
So we're not gonna go to Whitefish Bay anymore. Obviously things have stopped now. We have to figure out this with Thoretta. I think what we're gonna do, honestly, I really don't know. Everything's up in the air right now. We are literally stopped. So we pulled over at the casino. I got the generator running because I need some warm cheesy food to help me through this process. So Shay went online and he did find a part, the part that we need apparently. So that's good for you, honey. I'm glad that we were able to find it.
Yeah, so I found the grill bracket, and I'm pretty sure the grill bracket and the headlight bracket are all the same thing. That's pretty much what broke. It's just all those brackets. So you need to get a new headlight and then this. Gotta double check everything, but I think that should be good.
Yeah. I'm glad you're able to find
Try
a
to
piece.
hammer out that fender.
Yeah.
Because
Oh, Lord.
the headlight's not gonna fit if it's, out of whack.
Right.
We ordered the parts. We got them. We're probably gonna stay here for the weekend. They should be there Monday and put them on in the parking lot.
Yeah. That's what you gotta do.
Yeah.
But everything's okay. I'm sorry I freaked out. Everything's fine. It's okay. Right, Rusty? Right, buddy? He's a donut face. He's a donut face. He's a donut face.
One eternity later.
This casino has actually been like a blessing in disguise for us because we've been able to park here for like 3 or 4 days, and there's a free dump station. There's water if we need it. Like, it really has been really good. But we will be leaving tomorrow. We got a notification about our part is in at the post office, so
FedEx just called me, and they can't deliver it to the USPS store because it's FedEx. The lady just called me from FedEx, and she said they got flagged that it's a undeliverable address, but she changed it to Walgreens that has a FedEx pickup there. So, and they don't have it yet, so we might not be able to get it tomorrow. It might be Thursday.
So that will be like a week in this parking lot. It's like the fourth or fifth night. Boy. What you got going on there, Shay?
Getting all the microphones set up. Start recording a new album. It's called Piedmont Blues. Probably already out when you see this.
Good morning. So we are finally leaving the parking lot. Our part came in. We got a little text message notification. So yay! It's about an hour drive and let's see what happens. Cool. Now we just gotta go in and get our package.
Alright, we'll go get the other one. Last piece.
Oh my god, Shay. Alright, so we decided on the Lowe's. Just figuring everything all out here. Not sure what he wants to do first, but I'm just gonna be on box duty. So we went ahead and we pulled off the grill and the headlight that's not broken.
Alright, let's get this puppy off.
Okay. We went ahead and pulled off all of the broken bits, and then here are the new pieces. We're gonna reuse our grill. Our grill is okay, and then this is the headlight that didn't get broken. So yeah, now we're just gonna take the fender off and hopefully pop that kink out. I got it! I got it!
Alright, we got her all tore down. We're gonna try to fix this fender up a little bit, make it look halfway decent.
I would not attempt at home. We're just on the road and this is what we had to do.
This looks brand new now.
It does look pretty good, man.
But yeah, that big dent that was right here, just kind of folded it back, bang these brackets down. But I think it's good. It looks good.
It does look good. Now let's just put everything all back together. All right. Well, we're not professionals, but I think we did okay. So, but there is a little gap right there.
We interrupt this program to bring you
The Shady Place tees. They come in green, light blue, and tan. Do you want to support us and help make these videos? Then send us an email at arustyshadyplace@gmail.com to order yours now.
Now I guess it's on to the next. Rusty here actually has a doctor's appointment. He needs his shots and heartworm pills and stuff like that. Don't you, buddy? Gotta be healthy on the road. Yeah?
Have a good one.